Hello students, a very warm welcome back to science class. Students, in the previous lectures of the 9th class, we were discussing the chapter diversity in living organisms. Right students, we discussed about the various kingdoms, and in the last we were discussing about the kingdom Animalia, which is further divided into phylums. Now we discussed about the phylum Porifera, Coelenterata, Echinodermata. Many phylums we discussed, they were all non-chordates. Now today we are going to discuss about the chordates, which are divided into subphylums, further two subphylums. One is Protochordata and other are the vertebrates. Now the chordates, all the animals belonging to chordates, they have a special feature. They have a notochord in them. Right students? They have a notochord. That's why they are known as the chordates. Gills are present. They are triploplastic also. There are many other features, and the special feature is that the notochord is present. That's why they are known as the chordates, and they are further divided into two subphylums. One is Protochordata and other one is vertebrata. Vertebrates. But today students, we are going to discuss only about the Protochordata, which is the chordate. Right? We have now two words, proto and chordata. Chordata means chordates, notochord is present. Right students? And proto means old, primitive. Proto means primitive. So these are the primitive chordates. Now we will see the various features of the animals belonging to the phylum Protochordata. Now first feature is that they are bilaterally symmetrical. As we have discussed earlier, what is bilaterally symmetrical? Their body can be divided into two equal halves. This feature is known as the bilaterally symmetrical. They are triploplastic, having a coelom. The Protochordata or the animal belonging to Protochordata are coelomate. They have a coelom cavity present in them, and they have three layers: triploplastic, endoderm, ectoderm and the mesoderm. New system of body design called notochord is present. That's why they are chordates. Notochord, what is notochord? Notochord is a long rod-like structure that runs along the back of the animal. Right students? Notochord runs at the back of the animals, separating nervous tissue from the gut. Notochord separates nervous tissue from the gut. They may not have a proper notochord present at all stages in their lives because they are the primitive chordates. Right students? So notochord is not a proper, it is present at the all stages of their lives. They are mostly marine animals, and their post-anal tail is present. Post-anal tail is present, as we can see in the balanoglosses. Muscles are attached to notochord for easy movements. The muscles in the protochords are attached to notochord for easy movements. Examples are balanoglosses, Herdmania and Amphioxus. Right students? The main feature is that they are chordates. In them the notochord is present. They are proto means primitive. They are primitive chordate. So notochord is not present at all the stages of their lives, but it is attached to the muscles for the easy movements. Long anal tail, post-anal tail is also present. Here is a diagram of balanoglosses, in which it is divided, the body of the balanoglosses is divided into three parts. First is proboscis, second is this collar, and from the collar, anus, this all portion is known as the trunk. Right students? So these are the all features of the phylum Protochordata, which is bilaterally symmetrical, triploplastic, coelomatic, because coelom cavity is present, notochord is present, but not at all the stages of the life. Notochord is attached to the muscles for the easy movements. Gills are also present. post anal tail is present, and they are mostly marine animals. Examples are given: Belenglosses, Herdmania and Amphioxus. So these are all the basic features of the animals belonging to the phylum Protochordata. In the next lecture we will discuss about the vertebrates. Till then, take care, have a nice day. Thank you.